Bonjour, ciao, konnichiwa, and hello guys, it's Jalen. So for those of you guys who follow me on Instagram or Twitter, you probably know that I spent the past few days visiting my brother in San Francisco. For those of you who didn't see any of the pictures, here's one. See, proof that I did in fact actually leave my house. Anyways, I definitely recommend going there if you ever get a chance because it is so much fun. However, I realized that with any trip you take, no matter where you go, you're always going to have expectations that are slightly or very different to the reality of things when I get there. So that's why for today's video, I have decided to kind of show you guys so if you go on vacation, you guys know what to expect. So I hope you guys like it. Okay, it looks like I have everything packed. And I think I still have plenty of time to get to the airport. Whew, I am finally done. I have everything packed. I have my toothbrush, my toothpaste, my deodorant. Wait, did I pack my chargers? Yeah, I definitely packed my chargers. That's important, right? I'll check again. It's okay. Whew. Good thing I checked. I definitely have everything now, and oh my god, I'm gonna be late. I am so late. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelts. The aircraft will be taking off shortly. Yes, I get the entire row to myself. This is awesome. Hey, I'm Richie. Oh my god. I have no idea what any of this is. Hi, miss. What can I get for you today? Oh, I'll just have the chef special. Yeah, I'll have that one. Chef special? Okay, sounds good. It'll be right out for you. Right, here's the chef special. Oh my god, this is so good. What is this? Oh, it's turkey dipped into one of our special sauces. Oh my god, this is so good. What is this? Oh, it's deep fried bull testicles. What? Deep fried bull testicles? Thank you. Alright, I know exactly where I am. I am just a few blocks away from the beach. Perfect. Oh my god, I'm so freaking lost. Have I seen this tree before? Oh my god. Well, those are just a few of the expectation versus reality. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Anyways, I want you guys to leave a comment down below and tell me where you guys would like to go on vacation to. Also, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you can see more of me. Thank you guys and bye.